All right, so today we're going to learn IR and RE verbs. Last week we learned ER. Today we're going to learn the next two sets of verbs. We'll start off with verbs that end in IR, which is our second largest group of verbs, the first being ER. IR verbs, example, like finir. Finir ends in IR. We're going to do the same thing that we did to ER, if I could spell finish. And we're going to drop the IR and have our stem. And then we're going to add our endings for IR. IR endings for je, R. There's my stem. I'm going to change my color here so you can see the endings. So I'm going to write the endings that you need to write down in your notes on your notes, the IR endings. So fin, instead of switching pens every single time, I'm just going to add the endings after. So you're going to write this whole chart down, and then the endings are going to be IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, and ISSENT. So that is verbs that end in an IR. Example, I finish the pizza. Je finis. I chopped off the IR. I add my IS. I add my IS just so you can see it. La pizza. I finished the pizza. If I wanted to make this negative, I would put a little ne pas around my verb. Here's my verb, finish, and I put the little ne pas around it. So if I rewrote my sentence, it would look like this: I do not finish my pizza. So just like ER, our ne pas indicates negative. It's don't, just separated. And finish is our verb. Here's another example. The verb vomir means to vomit. It's a fun verb to use because we can imagine the vomit coming out of somebody's mouth. Let's say we are all vomiting. We knew. There's my stem, and my ending is ISSONS. So this is we vomit la pizza. Oops, I didn't change colors. That's okay. If I wanted to write the negative, I would write nous ne vomissons pas la pizza. So that is an example of an IR verb. And then you'll check your notes and copy down the IR verbs from the Quizlet. And then RE verbs are going to be the same pattern, but just different endings. And we'll write the chart at the end. So RE verbs like vendre. Vendre means to sell. First thing I'm going to do is drop off my ending, RE, and I'm left with the stem. And my endings are going to be different than the other two. So let me get these down. New. Oh, my bad. Going too fast. Vous vend and ils, elles vend. And then my endings for RE are S, S, and nothing. We put nothing here. It's just the stem. Then ONS, EZ, ENT. So that's I sell, you sell, he, she sells, we sell, you sell, they sell. And that is RE verbs. This is our smallest group of verbs, smallest group of verbs. So then same thing, if I have example sentences, je vends la pizza. I sell the pizza. Or je ne vends pas la pizza. Why we need pizza. Je ne vends pas la pizza is the negative. So this is IR and RE. Let me put the whole chart that I'm going to put in your notes right now for all the verbs. So this is the chart that we will practice in class on our whiteboards, but this is the chart you need to have in your notebook, and well done in your notebook, so that you can see all the endings. And so I'm going to write it out for you. So we have je, we have tu, we have il or elle. These are our pronouns, nous, vous, and ils, elles. So we'll draw a couple little lines here. Dink, 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 dink. Make your little chart. And, well, that was a horrible line. Perfect. Okay, and then I'll do the different colors. So we'll do red for ER. This is our biggest group. So that's E, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. And then we'll do blue for IR, our middle size group. IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. And then our final group, the smallest group, is SS, and then you put nothing there. ONS, EZ, ENT. So that is the entire lesson for ER, IR, RE verbs.